Good afternoon, my fellow traders. Hope you all having an awesome day. It's me, your trading coach here at Investlo, and with a quick update here on gold and crude oil. So, since the last successful analysis, if you have seen the last analysis, price nicely pushed up, pulled back to the previous anchor, formed a nice bearish engulfing pattern, and nicely pushed down exactly how we predicted last time. Now, for the next entry, either I want to see a further push up and retest of 50 EMA with a similar entry condition, then I'll be going short. But remember, if the price breaks above 50 EMA, that will open doors towards the upside, and we're likely to push up to test the previous highs. But if the price breaks below these lows, we have a next level which is right here. That's a very minor level from where we can see a possible pullbacks and then a possible continuation towards the downside. So that's just an intraday level from where we can expect some bounces. If there is a solid momentum like engulfers, double bottom, we can see a possible reaction from this level. But overall, we are bearish and we are only looking for the possible push down, retest, and continuation towards the downside. Next up, we have looking here on NYMEX futures of crude oil. Now, at this point, price just formed a first stop, which we have already mentioned in my last analysis that was posted on my Telegram channel. At this point, we can either get a double top, a retest of the previous highs. In that case, we have a confirmation of sell if there is a double top formation. If not, if the price breaks above these highs, it will open door towards the upside resistance, which I'm going to keep you guys informed. But remember, if the price breaks below these little wicks, as you can see right here, in that case, price will turn bearish and continue to push down to the next level of support, which is right here. These numbers, as you can see, 56.16, that goes up to 57.85, from where we can see a possible reaction. So keep an eye either to the double top area or break below these lows for the further continuation. That's it for the quick update. Hope you got a value. If yes, hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.